Welcome to Quiz 3A. We're focusing on three speech sounds that lip read the same. Therefore, you're going to be looking for the hand shape to clarify which sound I'm showing you. And so these are all rounded consonants. So we have we have w, and we have hua, right? It's the hua. We don't often hear that sound, but it's possible. So, and that is okay, hua. So this is going to look the same. This will look different, and you need to know what's going on with the consonant by looking at the hand. This will be syllables. So it's a consonant and vowel combination, which means that the hand will be at a location, because vowels are shown through the location, consonants are shown through the hand shape, and therefore we can show both at the same time for consonant-vowel combinations. So I'm going to pick some examples to train you, and then we're going to go ahead with quiz 3A, and then you can pick 3B later. Okay. So remember, we do this order. We have these open vowels. We have these round vowels, and then flat vowels, and then the mix where it can be anything. And in the mix, it could be that there's no consonant. And if there's no consonant, you'll see a fourth hand shape, and that will easily identify. And you will also not see the rounding of the lips, except if it's a round vowel. Who knew this was so complicated? How do deaf people lip read in the first place? Exactly right. Okay, then you add the cues, it's actually possible to do it. Without the cues, I don't understand. It's a lot of guessing, and it's a lot of work. And so cueing reduces the work, but it's still work, right? And this is why people may choose cueing when they need to know the technical information, the English language words. And if it's just the information and we don't need the details, they'll choose sign language interpretation. And they should have the right to choose which they prefer. Most deaf people, being bilingual, should have the opportunity to have straight access to English if they know how and want that. Their preference, we need to be equipped and ready to serve their needs. So that's the goal. Let's do the examples. So if I have, okay, notice that it sustains the rounding. So I have the mouth shape changes a little bit. It's a rounded consonant, but you already knew that. And it's a rounded vowel, which you didn't know ahead of time, but now you know. And what did I just cue? Ru, R, and UE vowel. I know it's complex. So, it's not a W, it's not a Hu, and those are the letters you write. R, W, H, W, not just H. This is H. This could be H, W. Okay, and then you have to write the vowel sound, which in this case, UE. Okay, so again, would be R, U, E. Okay, so it starts rounded and opens. So this is the open vowel at the chin location, which is aw, A-W, aw, but I had a whoa in front of it, and so it's the ridiculously looking hua, which is H-W-A-W. H-W-A-W is the right notation for okay, and let's try. So you see the rounding at the beginning with this, and you know that that's the W. And you see relatively flat vowel after the rounding. It changes, right? And that's at the throat, which means that it's the I. So we have the W and the I, and so it's W-I, wi, wi. That's the idea. And so for this one, quiz 3A, I will be showing them 3 times each one, and the mix set I will show you 4 times. In the future, you're only going to see them the normal 2s and 3s on the mixed. Ready? Here we go. Line 1, they're all open vowels. So if you want to write your A now, go ahead. I don't know how it's going to look on the quizzes. Do what you can do. You might want to write these down and then type them in later. Okay, open vowels, rounded lips every time to start. So it's going to look like, okay, and which possible combination? Look at the hand shape to know the consonant, and look at the location to know vowel. Here we go. One again. And last time for 1. Moving on. Number 2, round vowels. Two again. Last time for 2. Number 3, flat vowels. Three again. Last time for number 3. And now the mixed set. Remember, maybe there's a consonant, maybe not. If there's no consonant, then it's an open vowel. Sorry, it's not an open vowel. It's a vowel without a consonant, and that would be in shape 5. So this would be the vowel only. This would be HW again, R, and W, and then the location shows you which vowel. The mouth shape will show you which, open, round, flat. Okay, you're getting this. Here we go. Mixed, first of 4 times. Again. Third time. Last time. That's quiz 3A.